Have you ever marveled at how weather forecasts are made with such precision? It's truly a scientific wonder. For decades, these predictions have been made using traditional methods. Meteorologists interpret weather data collected from various sources like satellites, weather stations, and radars. They analyze this data to predict weather patterns, whether it's going to be a sunny day or a storm is on its way. However, these traditional methods present their own set of challenges. Human error is a common issue, as interpreting vast amounts of data isn't a simple task, and even the most experienced meteorologist can make mistakes. Then, there's the issue of speed. With the amount of weather data collected worldwide every minute, processing it all quickly enough to make accurate, timely forecasts can be daunting. But what if there was a way to increase the accuracy of these forecasts? Enter artificial intelligence, the game changer in weather prediction. The power of AI lies in its ability to process vast amounts of data at a speed that humans simply cannot match. It's like having a supercomputer in your pocket, crunching numbers and analyzing data around the clock. What's more, AI uses sophisticated machine learning algorithms to analyze past weather patterns. By studying these patterns, AI can make incredibly accurate predictions about future weather conditions. It's like having a crystal ball that can see into the future of our atmosphere. But the magic of AI doesn't stop there. It can identify patterns and trends that may be overlooked by humans. This means that AI can spot the early signs of a storm or a heat wave before we even know it's coming. So AI not only speeds up the process, but also increases the accuracy of weather forecasts. It's like having a weather forecaster that never sleeps and is always learning, always improving. Now, think about how this super accuracy in weather forecasting can have real-world impacts.